Hello YouTube and welcome back to Engine Emotions, and today we have the Bobo BM14 Pro Plus with a damper to it, and this basically allow no vibration to the phone. So the handlebar vibration will be translated to almost no vibrations, and I'm gonna be using this thing on my adventure bike because there will be a lot of off-roading, and also I was actually using the first edition of Bobo, where there was no damper, no quick release, nothing like that, no fancy stuff, and I was actually using that for around 4 years. There is no complaint for that. Yeah, obviously I'm riding very long distances on my adventure bike, so yeah, it's better to be more secured. And it also has a 1 year warranty, and let's just unbox this thing and see what we have inside the box. Yeah, all right, so all these stuff are here, and I'm just gonna start with the warranty card. First of all, I have to register this thing within 30 days, else it won't be recorded. And the another thing is, it has you can start with physical damage protection, that is for 1 year. It starts for 199, and then you can extend the warranty, and also you can get physical damage protection for 2 years at 389 rupees if you want to extend the warranty. So that's a nice thing by Bobo. And previously there was no protection plans. What you get inside the box is an Allen key to screw it up. Everything whatever you have, you get a rubber band, or not a it's a rubber adhesive thing, so that you can protect your handlebar from scratches. Then you have the mount, so this is the mount basically, and you also have a spacer. So this is a fat spacer basically. If your handlebar is thin, you can use this spacer, and if your handlebar is kind of fatter, you can use a thin spacer. And if it's way too much fat, then probably no spacer, but at least use the rubber adhesive thing, so that there is no scratches on the handlebar. And then you finally have not finally then you have the mirror mount, or anything that you can screw. So basically you have to use a screw here and mount anywhere, and then you can use this portion to mount um the exact phone holder. So here we have the phone holder, and the quality remains unchanged. Some of the things has been changed, but the this quality, the holder backplate, it's very similar to the one which I had, but definitely on the other side, the holder part, the quality has been changed. And obviously I can see the screw, even the screw quality has changed. And then you get a new quick release. This is very handy because every time you have to screw and unscrew the things, that is very time consuming. And one of the best feature of this thing is this damper. So yeah, this will consume the vibration, which will be translated to the handlebar. So yeah, definitely that's a thing, and I'll be using this thing on my adventure bike. So for long distance touring, yeah, this would be the phone might not be shaking a lot. I have to test that thing out. I'll let you know what are the test results for, but for now I think this gives a very nice prominent promising results. So yeah, I'm impressed. And obviously it's Bobo, so definitely I've also created another video where I'm showing all the different types of phone holder I do have, the one with the damper, the one without the damper, and there are two more alternatives, one for my cycle, one for my Meteor 350, and the another for my 390, which I'm currently using. So different types of phone holders there, and which one to you should be using, you may get a proper idea from that video. So for now, this is all I have, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, and subscribe to the channel if you like it.